Have you ever wanted to talk about clothes in French but didn't know the words? In this video, we'll slowly and clearly learn French clothes vocabulary, with English meaning and pronunciation. Let's start. Clothes.
Vêtements. Vêtements.
Shirt.
Chemise. Chemise.
T-shirt.
T-shirt. T-shirt.
Blouse.
Blouse. Blouse.
Jacket.
Veste. Veste.
Coat.
Manteau. Manteau.
Pullover.
Pull. Pull.
Sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt. Sweatshirt.
Pants or trouser.
Pantalon. Pantalon.
Jeans.
Jean. Jean.
Dress.
Robe. Robe.
Skirt.
Jupe. Jupe.
Gloves.
Gants. Gants.
Tie.
Cravate. Cravate.
Suit.
Costume. Costume.
Hat.
Chapeau. Chapeau.
Cap.
Casquette. Casquette.
Socks.
Chaussette. Chaussette.
Stockings.
Bas. Bas.
Shoes.
Chaussures. Chaussures.
Boots.
Bottes. Bottes.
Sneakers.
Basket. Basket.
Sandals.
Sandales. Sandales.
Scarf.
Écharpe. Écharpe.
Belt.
Ceinture. Ceinture.
Pajamas.
Pyjama. Pyjama.
Panty.
Culotte. Culotte.
Bra.
Soutien-gorge. Soutien-gorge.
Boxer shorts.
Boxer. Boxer.
Sportswear.
Vêtements de sport. Vêtements de sport.
Swimwear.
Maillot de bain. Maillot de bain.
Great job! Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next French lesson.